Hi everybody. Today we are going to learn how to insert a single landscape page inside a portrait Google Doc layout. First, open your document in Google Docs on your desktop web browser. Place your cursor at the very end of the page that comes directly before where you want your new landscape page to begin. Go to the top menu bar, click on Insert, hover over Break, and select Section Break, Next Page. Place your cursor at the top of your newly created section page. Go to the top menu bar, click on File, and scroll down to select Page Setup. Inside the Page Setup pop-up window, look at the top section labeled Apply To and select This Section. Under the Orientation section, click the radio button to select Landscape. Click the blue OK button in the bottom right corner to apply landscape orientation exclusively to that single section. To switch back to portrait for the remaining pages, place your cursor at the bottom of the landscape page. Go to Insert, hover over Break, and select Section Break, Next Page once again. Click File, select Page Setup, ensure Apply To is set to this section, select Portrait, and click OK. Your document will now contain a single, seamless landscape page styled perfectly between portrait pages. And that's it. I hope it helps you on your current and future projects. Thank you for watching.